Can we meet you, sir?
Yeah, my name is Babatunde Oluyede.
So why are you here today?
I came for retirement birthday for my elder brother and uncle.
So what can you tell us about your uncle, Alhaji Alakija?
Yeah, I knew him. He has been a very good person, a wonderful person, a nice person, very caring. And I wish him all the best in retirement.
So birthday wishing for him.
I wish him the best of life, good health.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Kí lorúkọ yín, sir?
Alhaji Hasan.
Kí là ń ṣe bí báyìí lónìí?
A ṣe ceremony fún Alakija, ṣe ní Alakija. Ó ṣe birthday 60th.
Kí lẹ lè sọ nípa Alhaji?
He's a very jolly good person. He's a very jolly good person. He's gentle and humble. And those are the things that we need for life. He's gentle and humble and very accommodating. He's kind.
Ẹ ṣé gan, sir.
Instead, he make you dey work yo. You dey carry my matter around yo. Na Jehovah.
Happy birthday.